Hello! Today we are going to practice reading three-letter words that all share the short I sound. To read these three-letter words, we take individual letter sounds and snap them together to form a single word. Before we begin, make sure you are comfortable with your consonant sounds, like the B in bat or the D in dog. If you know those consonants, you are ready to read the 30 different words we have lined up for this lesson. Learning this one vowel sound allows you to read hundreds of common sentences and stories on your own. This is the letter I. In the words we're practicing today, it makes a short, crisp sound, I. Try it with me, I. Keep the sound clipped and short. If you say E, try that quick I sound again. Now we add the letter D. When we blend I and D together, we get id. Let's put a starting letter in front of id and read id, bid, id, did, kid, head, lid, sid. Notice that the id ending stays the same for every word. You only have to change the very first sound to read a brand new word. Let's try a different ending. This time we combine I and G to make the sound ig. Follow the highlight and read these with me. B-ig, big, dig, fig, gig, pig, wig. You just read those two words perfectly, a pig in a wig. Once you can blend these letters, you can identify the animals and objects you see in the world around you. Now we'll use the letter M to make im. That gives us the words dim and him. Watch the end of the word. When we swap the M for an N, the sound changes to in. Let's read the new list. Bin, fin, pin, win. Let's listen to those two endings one after the other. Him, bin, dim, fin. Looking closely at that very last letter ensures you are reading the word exactly as it's written instead of guessing. Here is the IP family. Join in as I read. Dip, hip, lip, nip, sip, and tip. Now for the IT family. This time we're going to try something a little different. We are going to do a speed round. Your goal is to say the words as they appear with almost no pause between letters. Ready? Fit, hit, kit, bit, sit, pit. Practicing at this speed helps your brain recognize the whole word at once, rather than having to sound out every single letter. Take a look at all these words. You have practiced every single one of them in this lesson. Let's read the full board one last time. Bid, did, kid, hid, lid, sid, big, dig, fig, gig, pig, wig, dim, him, bin, fin, pin, win, dip, hip, lip, nip, sip, tip, fit, hit, kit, bit, sit, pit. You just read over 30 words on your own. That is a lot of progress for one day. To keep practicing with new sounds and more words, make sure to subscribe so you can join our next lesson. Daily practice like this is how you become a reader who moves through a whole book without having to stop and wait. Great job today.